At Sucitesa, each day begins with a promise to improve people's lives. Our initiative, the Cleanest Project, focuses on providing professional cleaning and hygiene solutions based on a genuine commitment to a better world. Since our founding in 1982 in Barcelona, our formulas have been born from dedication and firm commitment to excellence. Our products and methods represent the culmination of an exciting journey towards innovation and sustainability. We improve lives, care for the present, and protect the future. Our proximity and flexibility set us apart. We are dedicated to understanding and meeting every need with the best of our smiles. Our manufacturing centers are the heart of Sucitesa, where each product is created with a commitment to quality and environmental respect. We innovate in the design of sustainable packaging that significantly reduces waste. In our factories, we produce over 1,700 references of state-of-the-art detergents, cosmetics, and disinfectants, thus meeting the needs of a global market. Every day, our products restore the shine to over 24,000 square meters of floors through our self-polishing emulsions and crystallizers. Every day, over 600,000 people wash and disinfect their hands with Sucitesa products. More than 300,000 diners use crockery washed with our products daily. Each day, 180,000 kilograms of laundry regains its freshness and cleanliness with the effectiveness of our detergents. At Sucitesa, every day is a step towards a cleaner and more sustainable world. Together we are the Cleanest Project.